It's Monday, December 22, just shy of 2 months since Hurricane Melissa devastated Western Jamaica, obliterated my beautiful attraction. But I have joy in my heart. I was away for a week and I just walked through the property. And boy, the plants are coming back to life. Ones I thought were done for. Just look at this, folks. Look at this. Yeah, my two giant jackfruit trees. I thought they were dead. But look, green shoots. This one normally bears first, and this one had nothing at all. And look, shoots, green shoots. Will probably bear next year. My ackee trees, which were all shredded. Look, green shoot right there. It's alive. My biggest and most productive avocado tree, twisted, decapitated, coming back to life. Like the rest of my plum trees, this one was completely denuded, along with the cocoa tree right here. Not a single leaf left after Melissa. Look, springing back to life. Of course, the toppled coconut trees won't come back. I lost quite a few. However, my Nesberry, although most of it is gone, it's still springing back to life. Delicious Nesberry tree right there. And this is my giant Carumbula, otherwise known as starfruit. Again, completely stripped. I thought it was dead. Look, lots of green leaves. One of my many mango trees, alive. Well, I lost this breadfruit tree because it was completely uprooted. However, my Otaheite apple, giant tree, it's only about maybe 20% of what it was, but there it is.